Hi, I'm Margaret Lewin and welcome to Margaret Lewin Quilting. Today is Tuesday, so that means it's Quick Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you the true way to find the straight of grain on a piece of fabric. This is the only way that you can actually find where that straight of grain is. So I've got the same fat quarter that I used last week, and I've just got a basic straight pin. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn this a little bit. I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to grab my threads. See, I'm just pulling them from the top, okay? I want to loosen this area up a little bit. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my needle, my pin, and I'm going to start pulling the threads, the single grain threads. I've got one right here. I don't know. There, now you can see it. Once I get a hold of one, I'm going to pull it. And I should be able to take that pretty near all the way down to the end. I may have to use to gather it a little bit to get it to move, which is exactly what I'm doing here. Just kind of getting it. What this single thread is going to do, this is going to show me exactly where my straight of grain is. So you can see I'm just doing that neat little gather thing here. Try to hold my thread. Oh, I can see why it did that. I had one in front of it that I missed. Okay, so now I'm going to straighten it out. And look, I'm just going to start pulling. And it's just going to take it right down to the end. Now, when you learn how to do clothing sewing, they actually teach you to do this little trick inside of the fabric. So not right at the edge. You pull one single strand from the inside. This is how you go about finding your real true straight of grain. So you can see here I've got a couple threads out. There you go. Right there at the very, very smack dab edge, after that fray, that's where my straight of grain truly is. So that is how you find your real true straight of grain. I'm going to be honest with you, I don't do it on this type of thing. If I'm sewing with a satin or a chiffon and I'm making clothing that I really need to be absolutely perfect, like when I made my daughter's wedding dress, then I might worry about my straight of grain. But in the meantime, this is pretty darn close and I'm pretty darn happy with it. So that's how you find the exact straight of grain on your fabric. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again really soon. Bye.